Hi students, for 10th, 12th board exam students, the tips for chemistry examinations. So when you are in a chemistry subject studying, so what kind of simple tips, simple learning methods you can improve your overall scores and overall percentage. The steps are just focus on chemical names, symbols, equations, and what all the major derivations. So you have a separate diary or notebook. You must, when you are studying, the studying time itself during the revision or study holidays itself, when you are studying for chemistry, what all you have to do when you are studying the each chapter, you have to write the chemical name and symbols for particular chapter and equations separately. So after studying that, you have to make it separate. Each chapter you have a separate equations, chemical names, chemical symbols, everything you have to well versed, and then you have to write it. And you, whether you know you are seeing and writing, or you are writing without seeing anything, it's not a matter, but the correct one is there in that subject. So when you are keeping on writing this, you have to practice the studying word by word. It will not work out for chemistry. The chemistry papers always combined with the symbols, chemical names, equations, and various derivatives. So you, when you are very familiar on derivatives, chemical names, symbols, and each and every chapters, the when you are keeping on practicing this one, the one word optional answers and the maximum questions you will be covered. So when you are covered these things, you can get easily get the marks. Otherwise, when you are keeping on studying, your focus is different. You should not think about the studying the stories. When you are keeping on studying the stories, you will not get anything. The story will not speak for physics, chemistry, botany, zoology subjects. It's only technical things. So when you are deriving the equations, deriving the formulas, deriving the chemical formula, logs, everything is a matter. And try to attempt mathematical questions. These mathematical questions, even if it's complicated, but when you are attending, you will get full marks. So when you are keeping on attempting this one, especially all the equational methods, and when you are keeping on studying the one by one chemical name, equation, derivatives, everything, you will fulfilled your study fulfilled for chemistry. Otherwise, you, when you are keeping on studying only stories or books wise, you will not get total answers. So once you finish that one chemistry part, take blueprints questions, at least last 2 3 years, then answer without seeing anything for all the questions whatever asked. But if you are getting troubled, write down in the diary what all troubled questions and again study it. So this is the simple way of chemistry. Then what all sketches are there, equations are there, give the practices, write and see again and again. definitely it will give a good success. Thank you.